we move on to our Riddle app. Okay, so here it is. Here we have our question label and our answer label. Here we have our riddle button, our answer buttons, and I have 4 riddles and 4 answers. Excuse me. So, in the event that we click on one of the riddle buttons, it'll show the riddle. It will, oh, before I even get into that, again, I have class level variables, so I can use them, through the whole scope, not just, inside these methods here. I can use them throughout the whole program. A string type variable for our question and a string for our answer. Anyways, yeah, so we click on one of the buttons, it'll click one of the riddle buttons, it'll show the riddle. Well, no, it'll assign the riddle to the variable, and then the variable will that has the riddle will be given to the text property. Okay, and then what I do here is I do label dot text equals answer, or label answer dot text equals answer, and I make it blank here actually. So basically the reason I do this, you'll see, is because each time I click on a riddle, I want to refresh the answer. So like the answer doesn't, here, I'll show you. So you go at red and stop at what am I? A watermelon. If I go to riddle 2, it'll clear the answer. Okay. So in the event that I click on answer 1, if the question is this, because answer 1 is supposed to be the answer for riddle 1, okay? Then it'll show that I got the correct answer here. If it's anything else, then it's the wrong answer. So again, answer 1 is meant for riddle 1. Answer 2 is meant for riddle 2, etc. It's a pretty simple program. So riddle 1, answer 1. Okay, yep, that's good. The if statement went through. What would I do there? Okay. If it's riddle 2 and I do answer 1, well, that's not a riddle 1 anymore. It's anything else here. It's anything but that. So it'll say wrong. And this goes for all the rest of the code. Oh yeah, and by the way, of course, the answer that I was assigning, or the strings that I was assigning these, how do I say this? This answer variable that I was assigning these strings to obviously gets, assigned to this text property. Right here, the text property. Okay, yeah. Yep. Riddle 2. Answer 2 is for that. Riddle 3. Answer 3. Riddle 4, answer 4. Let's do riddle 3 again. Again, it clears it. Riddle 3, let's do answer 2. It's not the corresponding answer, so it's wrong. And that's how that works.